Kisses.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Give her kisses.
No, a hug.
She can't hug you.
Grandma will give you lots of hugs in a couple more days, Bob. Count to 15 and that's when Mimi will be there. What you eating, Zara? Looks pretty good. Mimi!
Some stir fry.
Mimi! What, buddy? A hug. Well, Grandma will give you a hug. Here, come in my arms. Aww. Okay? I hope it worked. Did you get that hug?
Yeah.
That's it? Thank you. Aww. Thanks for the kiss. Thank you.
You're so nice.
Mwah.
Oh my, okay. Things are good.